Hi, it's Alyssa again, and today I want to highlight the canal cruise in Amsterdam because without this experience, I don't think I would have fully been to or experienced Amsterdam. So I took advantage of my iAmsterdam card where I can take two different cruises. One is a hop on and off boat and bus, valid for 24 hours by Stroma, and the other is a fixed 1 hour canal tour either by Stroma or Lovers, which have similar paths. The hop on and off has 3 different lines that covers pretty much all of Amsterdam. I started the journey with the fixed canal cruise that lasted for about an hour. Here, everyone is given earphones to listen to the audio guide, which is available in mostly European languages. I personally found these houseboats very cute and interesting because it's like leading another lifestyle. I was also surprised by the amount of boathouses there are in Amsterdam. I would have never known that these are homes if the captain didn't mention it.
Yeah, Amsterdam. So on the left side is one of the oldest houseboats in Amsterdam, also one of the first. Een van de eerste.
I also passed the Hortus Botanicus Botanical Garden, of which I will make a separate video for you. Not far from the Botanical Garden is the Wertheim Park, which was mentioned in my previous video. This is a replica of the Amsterdam VOC ship, which served as a cargo ship for the Dutch East India Company. I also passed the Nemo Science Museum, which is the biggest science center in the Netherlands. After I was done with the canal boat tour, I headed to the 24-hour hop on and off boat ride where I had to walk through a massive bike parking lot near the central station to get to the other boat. Unlike the fixed canal cruise, you don't get earphones here. Instead, the captain on this boat explains attractions in perfect English, and with a great sense of humor.
Do this. Please remember it's Dutch design. Yeah, Dutch design means it looks good, it feels good, it looks safe, and suddenly a belt snaps.
For more trips and tours, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.